I grew potatoes! My first batch of potatoes ever.
The eye of the potato is in all of us.
I grew potatoes! My first batch of potatoes ever. They came from this guy. Thank you, Rust and 4chan, for inspiring me to grow potatoes. Oh, I fucking love this, you guys. I went through the dirt. I went through this dirt, and there were more potatoes. More potatoes.
OMG, you guys.
I grew potatoes. 4chan was right. It's stupid easy. No, this is a piece of clay that I made and painted, but I grew fucking potatoes. It's easy. Put the potato in the ground, and then you cover it with dirt. And then, I don't know, a couple inches of dirt is what they say, but I even put this one, put the main one, like, on the top with the little bit sticking out of the top, and it still grew amazingly. The eye of the potato.
The eye of the potato is in all of us. We can all grow potatoes.
And then, after you've buried your potatoes a couple inches under the ground, water them every couple of days, I guess, and fertilize if necessary. Sometimes it's probably not necessary, depending on your soil. And then just dig them up in a couple months, and you will get fucking potatoes. All right. I hope everybody has a great day, or at least an okay day, the cryo way. Breathing, relaxing, and only pushing yourself when you really think it's necessary to help a friend, a family member, or yourself through a creative project. Namaste.